Alright, hey guys, here we have a 36-inch Leslie lock played against Sam. This is actually a really big childhood fan of mine. This is actually the very same childhood fan. There was 4 latex utilities, a stamped aluminum Pro line, and then this all kind of like in a if you can kind of like imagine like an 8 at all points where the actual parts connect. So it's kind of like, so it's like 2 rows of 3 or 3 rows of 2, however you want to look at it. Anyways, this was in toward the front of the store, kind of. Yeah, it was like toward the front of the store, close to the road, in the right, and then there was the Airmaster in the middle, in the front, and then the other 4 were the latexes. I think they're latex. I don't actually know. I haven't really looked at them yet. But yeah, I got this, the new tone, and 2 of the latexes for free. This is probably my favorite. The latex, I never cared too much for them. I always just thought they were lame looking. Never really cared for them, but this and the new tone I just thought were kind of cool because they have that little indent on the motor. Though it's not in the greatest shape, it actually doesn't look too bad. It runs great, especially in comparison to how I got it. One of the blades, so they were just kind of tossed in like a trash heap. One of the blades was touching the upper canopy, another blade was kind of like a 45-degree angle downward. So yeah, kind of mangled there. Anyways, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm just really excited to finally get this. Alright, and let's start out on low speed. It does have aluminum blades, so as I'm sure you can imagine, it flies. Alright, there's low. Let's go to medium low. Alright, let's go to medium high. Which is pretty much high. There's a slight difference between medium high and high. Alright, and let's go to high. Which again, not that big of a difference, but it's noticeable. And let's do spin down. plastic was kind of blown around on the ground, so. Alright, well there's my little Leslie lock. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.